let's listen in now when the Chief Minister arrived and clearly he realizes the responsibility, accountability on his shoulders. Here's what the conversation was with the officials on the ground.
SP గారు
నాకు అడిగినారు చెప్పాలి ఎందుకు జరిగింది యూ టు ఆన్సర్ నో ఎక్స్క్యూజెస్ ఆఫ్టర్వర్డ్స్
5 o'clock తీసుకోమని చెప్తాం.
నేను అడిగింది ఏమంటుంటే క్లియర్ అన్ని టికెట్ టోకన్స్ ఇచ్చారు ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు ఇవ్వలేదు యూ టు ఆన్సర్ దాట్ ఎవ్రీబడి చెప్తున్నా పద్ధతి ప్రకారం పనిచేసి నేర్చుకోండి బాధ్యత తీసుకున్నప్పుడు బాధ్యత నెరవేర్చాలి వేరంతా తమాషా అనుకోవద్దు 2000 మాట్లాడతారనుకున్నారు 2500 ఎన్కరేజ్ చేశారు వాట్ ఈస్ ది ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ యూ హావ్ గివెన్ ఫర్ ది అడ్మినిస్ట్రేషన్ నువ్వు డిప్యూట్ చేసినప్పుడు
లోకల్ కంజెషన్ లేదు సార్ వాళ్ళు పీస్ఫుల్ గా కూర్చునే ఉన్నారు బట్ వదిలేటప్పుడు మాత్రమే అది కంట్రోల్డ్ గా వదలకపోవడమే అయిపోయింది సార్ ఇక్కడ లోకల్ కంజెషన్
ఒకసారి ఇక్కడ ఇదే న్యూ ప్లేస్ కదా బీ క్లియర్ న్యూ ప్లేస్ తీసుకొచ్చి పెట్టినప్పుడు యూ మస్ట్ హ్యావ్ డూస్ అండ్ డూ నాట్స్ మరి ఎక్కడ అమలు చేశారు మీరు ఎవడైతే ఒక ఆఫీసర్ ఇక్కడ పంపిస్తారో చెప్పి పంపించాలి కదా అవన్నీ రిటర్న్ గా ఇచ్చారా కాపీ నాకు
Right, so Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu there asking, no excuses. Tell me, when did you even make the arrangements? When were the tokens issued? What happened on the ground? The stampede shouldn't have happened, and kept saying no excuses on this one. So there are glaring lapses that are emerging, and I want to go back to my colleagues Apurva and Pramod on that. Apurva, tell me this. You know, it's not the barriers I can see are set. He's at the stampede side. You can see there's been a certain protocol. So what is your understanding? Did the crowd go out of control, and why do you believe that the Chief Minister is pulling up the Temple Trust members right now on this?
Remember, Pooja, this Vaikunta Ekadashi is a very auspicious day here. Ekadashi and Dwadashi, that is on the 11th and 12th of January. It's a very auspicious day and the month for devotees here who all throng here for Tirumala to have a darshan here at Tirupati Tirumala Devasthanams. And this year, what had happened is the tokens that are usually issued, what we do know is that these tokens are issued to those people, devotees who are coming from outside. In fact, Tirupati, that is people from Tirupati there who are regular devotees there who come to Tirumala very often. They do not require a token. But this time what has happened is that everybody who needs to have a darshan, they were required to get a token, and that's what is the system that had been set in place by the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams. In fact, the Chief Minister there is also asking the same questions. You know, he's going on, he's asking them, when you said tokens were being issued, why was it issued earlier on? What was the reason for these crowds to be coming here in large numbers? If so, you had to move them and depute them to a new place, and you had to shift them to a new place. Why wasn't there a due protocol that was set in place? What were the do's and don'ts that you followed or you did not follow, which led to this? When there were arrangements made for 2,000 people, why was there 4,000 people who were, pushed into one place evidently? In fact, we're also getting to hear...
And 6 people who have lost their life, and people are crying, heartbroken. They came for this auspicious occasion, the Vaikunt Dwar Darshan on Ekadashi, and they're leaving without their family members who've died such a gruesome death. And let's just hope that all other temple managements are also watching right now to ensure they have their protocol.